Alright, so that's what we're gonna fix today. And then over there is broken. I don't know if you can see it from this picture, but I'll show it later. If you look close, you can see the mist moving across the water.
Some in the middle that aren't bad, but the top and down there is
we'll
bad.
scrape all the steps,
No, I'll stripe them.
and then we're gonna scrape. She's gonna scrape the whole railing all the way down, and we'll paint that. And then after we get through with that, we'll move on to the next project, depending on the time. on the porch and check out our lights. Look, lightning, it selectively killed some of the bulbs, and now they don't change colors anymore. See those over there? They're bad. They're bad. They're bad. That lightning strike. Now that one's blue, and the rest are white.
That one's red.
Oh, there's one that's red. Anyway,
Well, it's dim. It's about to go.
we're having a cocktail, sitting out on the lake. Cheers, having a cocktail. Hello, say hi, Amy.
Hi, Amy.
Okay, so this is my leftover wire. Wouldn't reach. It's 3 splices in it. So it's about 11:15 or so, and I've already practiced with the welder. I did some welding right here, tested it out, make sure everything was gonna be good before I dragged the 250-pound machine all the way down to the dock. So I don't know if I showed this yesterday, but I'll show it again. So there's how I hooked it in. These are just hanging there. They're not connected to anything. There's no live electricity there. It's just dead end wires. There's all the power. I hooked in, there's a new breaker. It's on. Got this clamp here so that if somebody tugs on this wire accidentally, something or other, it won't affect that. It's nice and loose. So there's no possible chance of messing that up. Drag the machine down that way on my little dolly with plastic wheels. One of the wheels is looks like the bearings came out of it or something. I don't know. It's just a cheap estate sale collapsible dolly. I think I paid $10 for it, but he got it down here. Just hoping I can get it back up. Got the ramp cockeyed off of here, so my piece of metal's ground up and ready to go. It won't fit all the way down. It won't fit all the way down to the bottom down there. It fits on the top and on the side, so I'm gonna weld the crap out of it, and it's gonna be super strong. All right, we came into Hot Springs. I got a haircut, and now we're hiking a trail. It's beautiful out here. how much these drinks cost. $35. Of course they're doubles, but that's a lot of money. All right, so they just opened this back up. They took the ceiling down to the concrete. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful when they get done. Whew. All right, $34 in drinks, that's our limit. We're gonna walk down the strip here and see if we can catch up on some government Christmas decorations. All right, so I gotta say, the Indians called this place the Valley of Vapors. You can't barely see any vapors anymore. But look at this beautiful tree, man. It's just grown up over the curve there. Pretty cool. All right, so we're in the Valley of Vapors. Can you see the vapors on camera? There's some vapors. There's some vapors. Oh, more Valley of Vapors. Come on, honey, the Valley of Vapors. I'm trying to see the vapors. I like vapors. I like natural vapors. All right, let's check the vapors out. Oh, let me breathe me some vapors. Doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it's warm right here. Ooh.
Don't burn your shoes.
Oh, that's weird. It's like a hot fog. Vapors. That's some good vapors right there. That's what I'm talking about. There's some good vapors. All right, see you later, Hot Springs. We got to go. It's starting to rain. All right, so it's a little bit before 8 o'clock in the morning. I walked out. Smells like somebody's got a campfire going, but last night I couldn't get any pictures of the steps, so hand railings completely done. These steps, I guess she stopped scraping about right there. And these steps are painted, but ran out of paint, but that looks really good. Good job, Amy. All right, all done. Just like it was. And then here's where all the magic happened. I really got to use this vise because this wire is so thick. I could clamp the wire in there and wire up the terminals on the receptacle, so that worked out really well. And then there's all the paint's gone. There's a handy dandy sweatshirt. Thanks for letting me borrow your sweatshirt, Daddy-O. And got everything packed up, got the wires up by the car. Go ahead and turn the lights off and start loading. I got the driveway blown off pretty good. The battery died on me, so I had to stop and charge it back up, but pretty good. The concrete joints still look good.